No. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and uh, I previously gave you guys an indicator video. That's my previous video, but as I said, I'm not really a fan of indicators. So I think most of you are expecting another one, but I'm sorry to disappoint. I can't give you another one because price action is just everything about it. Now, this is the signal that I was given this morning, and you're going to analyze this with me. Okay? As I say, please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like this video, share it to your friends, and you can also join the Blue Boy team. Here is the team. You can join the Blue Boy team and you can make profit. Okay, you can make profit. This is this morning, and I was feeling so excited, so we just had to give a free signal to the free Telegram channel. So if you want to join the free Telegram channel, you join for free. So it's just all you need to do is check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to the free Telegram channel, and once you click on that link, you can join. And here is the signal that was given this morning by the C300. That's a crash 300, and SL given. Yes, I had to let them know that it's going to cost you $10 if this trade doesn't go well. Okay, so I had to let them know, but at the same time, you also have to be positive. So this is it. Let's go back to the chat. So if you want to join the Blue Boy team, just hit the link. And for those of you that want to hit me up for mentorship, you want to actually understand how to get into this market, like how to be tricky a bit with the market, you check the description of this video as well. You find the link to my WhatsApp. Okay, you find the link to my WhatsApp. So once you press on that link, you can text me directly. So this is my chat, and this is the 30 minutes. So as I always say, I love starting with the higher time frame. Now you see that this is the 30 minutes here. Now what you're seeing here is quite different. Now you are not even seeing that there is a very strong uptrend. You might actually think this is not going to happen or this and that, but by the time you go to the daily time frame, what do you see? You've seen the chart from 10th of November till the current day, and while on 30 minutes, all you can see is the chart from few days ago. Today is like, let's say today's 27th, this is like 25th. So you can't even see what's going on like the past week. Sorry, not let's not say, yeah, of course, weeks and the past hours. So you start with the daily time frame, and now you've seen that I had this I had this analysis running already. Okay, I had this analysis running already, and before now we have already bought the C300 before today's, but that was just the VIP. It was just the VIP that signal was given. Okay, here it is. We bought the crash 300, and this was the 5 minutes. This was like 4208. So somewhere around here, we also went in for a buy. Now, why did we go in for this buy? Now, as I was saying, we play with the time frames, and what do you want to see? You want to see what has been happening previously and presently in the market. So now we've seen that on the daily time frame we have an uptrend. So this market is going up. It's time for you to buy while looking out for sell entries. Now, that's one of the reasons, that's one of the things we have looked at now. The trend of the market is an uptrend, a very strong trend. So now what do you look out for? You now go in for the lower time frames to find entry point, a place you can enter and scalp. This because we're actually scalping at this moment because we are trading against spikes. But what gives you the confidence to trade against spikes? One, the direction of the market. It's an uptrend. So when it's an uptrend, what do you look out for? You look out for entry positions. So our first entry was from this level where we make the first profit from, for the VIPs only, from this level, because when market got, this I think I saw a kind of support. So when market was at that support, it gave me the zeal to go in for a buy. I think this was it 420, this around this region. So market had gone, retested this level here, gone up and dropped. Dropping, and you know that we're playing with different time frames. I was on the 5 minutes when this got, like when this signal came. That's why you can see on these charts, this was the 5 minutes. So you see that at that point, I have a support at that level. If you look at my first entry, I have a support at that level that once market gets to that level, is always kicking back up. And also seeing that it has been an uptrend. Okay. So this is the chart from that day. So now there was a support which actually gives me a buy entry, because I'm looking for entries. You have to look for entries on the lower time frame after you have seen what the chart looks like, because price action is actually all about what's happening in the past and what's happening presently. So you have to compare different time frames to actually understand and get some things out of the chart, because you might be looking, okay, this is a downtrend, but by the time you have gone into a different time frame, maybe from the 4 hours to, let's say, the 2 hours, you now see something different. Okay. And you're looking for, as a scalper, it depends on also what type of trader you are. Are you a scalper? Are you a swing trader? Okay. So if you're a swing trader, you actually want to be having your entries with the higher time frame. But if you're a scalper, you have to play with different time frames, because as a swing trader, you might have to be using the weekly time frame, monthly time frame as well. Okay. So having gotten this, now you've seen that we have a support at that level, and that's what gave us the go ahead to go in for a buy. Now, when we went in for this buy, after making this profit, I told them that there was a minor resistance here. So when market got to this level, that's when we had these few spikes after hitting our TP. Let's get on the 5 minutes. We had few spikes here, market rejecting a bit. Okay, so I said minor. Why did I call it a minor? Because I saw it on the 30 minutes. But if I had been, I saw it on the 4 hour, I'll say that's a major resistance, because it's a very strong place that it's going to hold. Okay, so having seen this, now it was after at this point that we took our first TP, and where I told them to trail their SL. What does it mean to trail your SL? You have to, okay, now at this point, this is the 10, we would have lost $10, but now we'll be able to make up to this level, up to this amount. And I'm like, trail your SL. You have to trail your SL to know how much you want to lose. Like now, if I keep it here, what I'm going to be getting at the end of this trade is going to be $29, but it's still a good profit. But if I keep it here, I'll get 37. So the more you trail closer to where the market is at the moment, the higher profit you'll be able to keep, and the lesser loss. Like you won't be losing though, but the profit is going to drop by a certain amount. So that's what I mean by trail SL. So by the time you hit your TP, you trail your SL, and you've seen that now the risk to reward ratio is actually very high right now. This is like 4:1. Okay, and getting to this level, this is where I told them we are going to take our TP2. So it's going to give us about 95 with one lot size, as earlier said. So I choose these levels because market might actually start rejecting from that point, because I kept this horizontal line here for a reason. It has served as either a support or resistance previously. Let's check that. Previously, okay, for these levels, market got to this level. You see all these wicks, but now let's still trace it back to see if it has formed something. Okay, now you see here also it has served as a resistance also. This was even months ago. So imagine, this is what I'm talking about. Price action, compare previous with the present. So with all these things, you have to put them in check. The direction of the market, where is this market going to? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? And as you've seen, daily time frame, uptrend, that's a 24-hour time frame. So it's still expected to buy up to this level if we want to swing. As a swing trader now, if you want to swing this trade, what will you be waiting for? Market to break this level, retest it, and when it's going up, you are going to be putting your TP here, and it might take like It might take 3 days, 4 days, sometimes it might take weeks. And as a swing trader, you should also have made up your mind, okay, this is what I want to lose. When I say want to lose, I'm talking about good money, because you won't swing a trade for, well, of course you can, but why would I keep swing a trade and make for days and make just $5 or thereabout? Nah, like that's because you're using a small lot size and you're using a small equity. So you have to be able to put your mind to it and say, okay, fine, maybe this $50, I'm going to risk it to make maybe a couple of $500 or something, depending on the lot size you're using, and you swing the trade. So what a swing trader will be looking at right now is to hold on to this trade, wait for it to break that level, because this is a very strong buy. This candle, the bullish candle on the daily time frame right now, is a very strong, a huge one, because market has actually retested this region a lot, adding that there is a trend line here. So it might just be going that way to retest this level and go back up. Now let's check on the weekly. You see how the weekly time frame is. So would you have the patience to swing a trade till it gets to this level? Might take weeks, might take months. So you might just have to see. Trading with price action is actually very interesting. I love it so much because it makes it easy. It makes it easy. So please, if this video was helpful, if you've enjoyed it, I know maybe some of you were looking out for indicators. No, well, if you want to use indicators, man, you can just check and you find indicators videos. But price action is actually more interesting because it takes away the noise in the market. Yeah, at least you've seen that, analyzing the market and seeing for yourself, okay, this is not a good time to get into this trade. Imagine that you want to go into sell because market has gotten to this place. You want to sell. Now it gave you few spikes that hasn't really made you so much money, okay? Because you just believe it's going to be like that and it keeps going. You have to, this is not a good time to catch spikes. This is a time for you to scalp the market and make profit from it. And also have it at the back of your mind, I am trading against spikes. So you have to look for a perfect entry. A perfect entry. So getting it from here, 4208, was one of the best entries because we were able to accumulate so much up to this level. So as I was saying, if this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe, like, and share to your friends, and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be among the first set of people that will be getting our analysis whenever we post our video. So thanks for watching, and if you want to join us, hit me up. I'm ready to teach you, to mentor you, to also give you VIP signals for those of you that are busy and can't actually get it. We have the account management package as well. So just enjoy being in profit and look out for the market, because I don't think anybody looks out for anyone in the market. So look out for yourself in the market, because you might be buying. Sometimes, I mean, my friends are buying, I'm selling a particular pair. So look out for the market first, okay? No emotions. So thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next video.